Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Awamaitha Maura. On this channel we do cleaning, cooking, lifestyle and hauls and all that. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider hitting that subscription button and join the gang. So guys, on today's video, it's a cleaning video, it's a motivational video. I want to clean my bedroom, guys. It really looks a mess. My bedroom is really tiny because currently I'm using my guest room. Bedroom is my bedroom, so niko na vitu mingi sana, and I think I need to declutter some so that I can give space to the things that I normally use. It really looks a mess, guys, so I hope someone will get motivated. I want to just change my beddings, change my pillow covers, change put my duvet cover. Nimeka nayo hivyo for a while, nachoka mkono. Nimeka hivyo nayo for a while, guys, and I really need to change it. I really need to clean the room. The room really looks bad. Inakaa venye inataka. Clothes are everywhere. Everything is everywhere. So I hope you're going to get motivated as you watch this video, and kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and God will bless you. So sit back and enjoy this video. So guys, this is the current situation of my bedroom. You can see the way it looks like. Don't mind the wall. We are planning on changing even the color of this wall. As I've told you guys, my room is really small. As you can see, it's my guest room. You can see, guys, clothes are everywhere. Alafu dust, you can see kila kitu iko kila mahali, and that's what I want to do with you guys. I want to clean it up. Nguo zimejaa pale chini. Guys, don't judge me. The mirror needs to be mounted. I didn't want it to be mounted in this room, ndio maana nimeisimamisha hapo, cause I'm planning to finish on my room very soon, ndio maana sitaki ikuwe mounted kwa ukuta. Unaona hizo zile nini nilikuwa nimehang ni nyingine inaitwa nini kio, but I removed it, kalikuwa kadogo, so I bought this one, the big one. So I need it to be mounted on my bedroom, ndio maana nimeisimamisha hapo. So guys, that's the current situation of this room. It really looks bad, the current situation of my bed. So guys, let's do this.